DeLonghi portable air conditioners are popular cooling solutions, but they can experience water evaporation issues that affect their performance. Understanding how these units work is key to identifying and preventing problems. DeLonghi portable air conditioners work by drawing hot air over refrigerant-cooled coils. This process removes both heat and moisture from the air, creating the cool, dry air that makes your room comfortable. The moisture that condenses during cooling must be managed properly. DeLonghi units either evaporate this water automatically, drain it continuously through a hose, or collect it in an internal tank that requires manual emptying. Several common issues can affect water evaporation in DeLonghi portable air conditioners. These include poor cooling performance, short cycling where the unit turns on and off frequently, water leaks, unpleasant odors, and ice buildup on the coils. High humidity is a major factor in water evaporation problems. When humidity levels exceed 60%, the unit produces more condensate than it can evaporate, potentially overwhelming the system. Ideal comfort occurs around 24 degrees Celsius with 50% relative humidity. Proper setup is crucial for effective water evaporation. The unit must be placed on a level surface to ensure proper drainage, with sufficient clearance around all sides for adequate airflow. Regular maintenance, especially cleaning air filters, is essential for preventing water-related issues. Understanding these fundamentals helps identify when your DeLonghi portable air conditioner has water evaporation issues. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting steps to diagnose and fix these problems. The first step in troubleshooting drain system issues is inspecting and cleaning your air filters. Dirty filters restrict airflow and can cause ice buildup, leading to drainage problems. Remove the filter and clean it with a vacuum or wash it with soapy water. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling to prevent mold growth and ensure proper airflow. Next, examine the drain plugs and hoses. Ensure drain plugs are securely in place when not using continuous drainage, and check the drain hose for clogs, kinks, or improper positioning. Check for common drain issues, including clogged hoses, loose connections, and improper hose positioning. These problems can cause water to back up and overflow from your unit. To clear blockages, use a vacuum, brush, or soapy water to clean the drain hose. For internal drain lines, use compressed air or a thin brush to remove any obstructions. Use these tools and methods to effectively clear drain blockages. Always disconnect the unit from power before performing any maintenance work for safety. If ice is present on the coils, turn off the unit immediately and allow the coils to defrost completely. Ice buildup restricts airflow and can damage the system if not addressed promptly. Follow these steps when dealing with ice buildup to prevent damage and restore proper operation. Never attempt to remove ice manually, as this can damage the delicate coils. At the end of each season, empty all water from the unit to prevent stagnation and bacterial growth. For complex issues like refrigerant leaks or compressor problems, consult a qualified HVAC technician. Regular maintenance prevents most drain system issues. However, some problems require professional expertise to resolve safely and effectively.